Namaste, welcome back. Today I am going to show you some modifications in the Surya Namaskar so that anybody, even if you're a beginner, can do this. So, in this session, I'm going to show modification for each pose. We will total do 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar. First round, we will focus on original poses and modified poses, and in the second round, we will focus only on the modified poses. So let's get started. If you haven't checked out all about Surya Namaskar, part 1 of this Surya Namaskar series, I highly recommend it. Please do check it out, where I am talking about what is Surya Namaskar, how exactly we can do Hatha Yoga style Surya Namaskar, and how to get maximum benefits out of it. What are the health benefits of Surya Namaskar? And we are talking about what direction to face, what is the preparation, what is the warm up that we can do before starting the practice, and how to end the practice well with the Shavasana. So we are talking about all of that in that video. Please do not miss that. And then once you watch that, come back to this one for modification in the Surya Namaskar for the beginners. To the Talasana. Make sure your feet are grounded firmly on the mat. Now exhale, bring palms together into Pranamasana. Slowly inhale and bring arms up, up, up. As much as you can go back, you go back. Have a slight back bend in your back. If this is too much, stay here, or if you are able to go, you can go. Hastu Uttanasana. Now exhaling, keep your arms extended, upper body extended, spine straight, and come down to Padahastasana. Put the palms right next to the feet. Now if this is too much for you, you can have a slight bend at the knee. Now inhale, bring the right foot back, look up to Ashwasanjalanasana. If this is too much, you can just come like this. Okay. Now exhale, bring left foot goes back and come to the plank pose. If this is too much for you, you can bring the knees down and just come on the plank just like this. Now from the plank, hold the breath, knees then chest in between the palms and chin touching the ground. Come to the Ashtanga Namaskarasana. If Ashtanga Namaskarasana is too much for you, you can just lie down like this. Now, come to the Bhujangasana. Keep bend at your ankles, look up, and you come to the Bhujangasana while inhaling. If this is too much for you, you can have a baby cobra, just like this, just a little bit up. You can have your arms up or down, whichever is good for you. This is the modification. Now, tuck in the toes, and while exhaling, come to the Parvatasana. Parvatasana is different than Adho Mukha Svanasana. In Adho Mukha Svanasana, we have feet apart. In Parvatasana, we have feet together. So, we are going to have feet together. Bring your hips as high as you can. Keep your core engaged. Look towards your navel if you can. This is a great pose to take breaks. Now, if this is too much for you, you can come to the child pose. You can do the child pose. as a modification. Okay. So from Parvatasana, inhale, bring the right foot in the front of the mat. Because we started with the right foot first, we are going to bring the right foot first to the front. Look up, Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, left foot comes to the front. Pardhastasana. Inhale, keep your spine straight and keep your arms extended and come up to Hastottanasana. Exhale, bring palms together and Pranamasana. We did 12 poses on the right side. Now we need to complete 12 poses on the left side. Again, I'm going to show the modifications on the other side as well. So if these poses are hard for you, you can do the modification. Come to Tadasana, bring palms together into Pranamasana. Inhale, bring arms up and keep as much back bend as much as you can. Don't try to push too hard. Listen to your body. Hastottanasana. Now, slowly while exhaling, keeping the body extended, come down to Pardhastasana. We are supposed to keep the knees straight, but if that's too much for you, you can have a bend in your knee. This is the modification. Now, inhale, left foot goes back, put the knee down and make the back leg flat and look up. Now, if this is too much, the modification is to come up like this. Okay. Now, exhale, right leg goes back to the Phalakasana. If this is too much, you can bring the knees down in Phalakasana. So from Phalakasana, we hold the breath, knees down, chest in between the palms and chin touching the ground, Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Now, inhale, come up to Bhujangasana. If Bhujangasana is too much for you, instead of Ashtanga Namaskara, you can just lie down like this and from that, you come to the Devi Cobra. Either keep your hands up, keep your palms up. Okay, so from Bhujangasana, exhale and come to Parvatasana. You take a couple of breaths here, take a break, relax your spine, free your spine, keep the core engaged. If this is too much, you can come to child pose. Or you can do cat and cow. Cow and cat. Cow and cat. You can do these stretches. Okay, so this is the modification. Now come back to original pose, Parvatasana. Inhale, bring the left foot to the front, Ashwasanchalanasana. If that's too much, you can bring yourself up for the modification. Now exhale, bring the right leg to the front. Pardhastasana, again modification is bending the knees. Slowly inhale and bring yourself up. If back bend is too much, you can just come up like this and come to Pranamasana. Okay, now I will show only the modified version of Surya Namaskar. So this is extremely beginner's level. Come to the Tadasana. Exhale, bring the palms together in Pranamasana. Hasta Uttanasana. Inhale, arms up and just little bit bend. Exhale, come down, keeping the spine straight. Padahastasana, bend the knees here because we are doing modified version. Inhale, right foot goes back and come up. Exhale, left foot goes back, come to modified plank. Now, modified Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Now, modified Bhujangasana, baby cobra. This or this. Now, exhale. We can either come to the child pose or come to the cat and cow. Now, right foot comes back in the front. Modified Ashwasanchalanasana. Left foot comes to the front. Bend. Padahastasana. Bring the arms up, up, up. Hasta Uttanasana, modified version. And Pranamasana. Let's do it one more time on the other side now. Tadasana, Pranamasana, modified Hasta Uttanasana, modified Padahastasana. Exhale, knees bent. Inhale, right foot, left foot goes back. Modified Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, right foot goes back. Modified Falakasana. Come down, modified Ashtanga Namaskaranasana. Baby Cobra, modified Bhujangasana. Exhale, child pose, modified Falakasana. Or cat and cow, modified Falakasana. Bring the left foot front, come up. Modified Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, right foot comes front. Bend in the knees. Bend the knees. Modified Padahastasana. Inhale. Hasta Uttanasana. Modified. Exhale. Pranamasana. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share this video with all your friends who wants to know more about Surya Namaskar. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. I like to post new video every week. I do a lot of weight loss tips, yoga, meditation, Zumba or dance workout, and easy healthy recipes. Thank you so much and see you next time. Namaste.